What is an ansible-vault? How to store variables and files in an encrypted way. I will show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome to today's episode of Ansible Pilot. ansible-vault encrypts variables and files to protect sensitive context and lets you use them in playbook, role, and collection. ansible-vault stores variables and files encrypted and use the cipher to protect file AES 256 in recent version of Ansible. The best way of talking about encryption is with a little demo. I will show you how to encrypt one password using the ansible-vault command line utility. Let's assume that the password is currently stored in a single Ansible file, YAML, called plain to encrypted YML. Let's do together. Welcome to my editor. Let's create together this plain to encrypted YML file. So first of all, let's begin with 3- is a YAML file, and let's define together a variable called password with the value that we would like to keep it as reserved as possible. So my secret password is the value of a password, and we would like to encrypt all the file using ansible-vault. So in this way we are able to read the file. It's called clear text we want to encrypt. First of all, we need to open our terminal. It depends by your operating system, but it looks like this. And as you can see, I was creating a directory containing the plain to encrypted file, the one that we typed together, and now we would like to encrypt. We are using ansible-vault command line utility. This utility is already included in all Ansible installation. As you can see, it has plenty of options to create, decrypt, encrypt, edit, whatever would you like. Another useful option is -- version that verify the current version of this utility. I have the latest installed on my workstation, and now let's encrypt the file. We are using the parameter encrypt of the ansible-vault utility, and the file name is asking for a new vault password. This is your password that you are using for encrypting the file. Is asking twice, and we obtain a confirmation that the encryption was successful. Now if we cut, so we printed on screen the file, we got this result, which means that all the file is currently encrypted, and we can use this encrypted version every time we would like to execute an Ansible playbook, role, or collection. Yay! Good job, Ansible! Now you know what is an ansible-vault and how to encrypt a file using it. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you. See us on the next adventure of Ansible Pilot, and let's automate more. Yay!